As we're learning, pretty much everything you need is right here on the registrar's website. In this video, we're going to quickly show you transfer credit information, including the transfer credit course guide. This might sound familiar to those of you who brought in college credits with you, or if you transferred in AP credits over the summer. However, for many of you, this is probably new information, and it's information that will help you make decisions, like if you want to take summer classes, and, any other times where you feel like you want to take additional courses outside of RPI. So, as we learned our trick, we will look for all transfer credit words, so we can see we have advanced placement at that time frame, transfer at that time frame, or transfer credit for currently enrolled students. This is you. We click on here and we see big bold the transfer course guide. Of course, I highly recommend that you take the time to read all of this information, because if you plan to transfer credits to RPI, all of this is relevant information and important for you to know. For example, you must learn equivalent to an A, B, or C grades at the other school to transfer credits. Down here you'll see a little bit more information, so if you're interested in study abroad, or the policy for summer transfer credits or winter break. In this video, I really want to show you the transfer course guide, so we will click on this, and of course you will find a button to this below the video in the episode. Highly recommend that you bookmark it in your academic advising folder. And how this works is you pick a state or a nation, so we'll see all of our states here, we'll see nations here. For example, I know many of you from China, but we also have Hong Kong, and we have South Africa and United Kingdom. But of course, we're gonna stick local in this video. So I'm gonna go to New York. Whoop, not New Mexico. New York. Get institutions. You'll see a new drop-down menu popped up, and here are all the schools that we have accepted credits from. What's really important about this is that if you come on here and the school that you're hoping to attend is not listed, it does not mean we will not accept credit from them. It just means that no one's asked yet. So in that situation, I would have you reach out to your hub advisor, your academic advisor, and we can help you get that school and that particular course at that school approved. For this, let's go to Hudson Valley Community College, get courses, and on this page, we will see, it's taking a minute to load. All right, we will see all the classes that have previously been reviewed to transfer to RPI. So what's important is you'll see words like not transferable, but you'll also see things like this of what credits will come in as. So general zoology will come in as a 1000 level biology elective for 4 credits. If you look over here, you'll see there's an insanely long list at Hudson Valley. Of course, because they're our local community college, we do take a ton of credits from them, including from transfer students. Many students will actually use them over the summer, but of course we encourage you to do what's local to you if that's a little bit easier. You don't have to go to Hudson, of course. Just to give you a quick look, a popular summer class is Physics 2. This is something that you'll want to see if you're looking for Physics 2 in the summer. Right across here, we see what course we have to take. At any institution, you must register for the course number that you see in the guide. If you register for 151, that's general physics, and that comes in as Physics 1. If they have a crazy number here, like Physics 200, which I don't see, that has not been approved. That course needs to approve before you transfer it in. I say that because we don't want you to take a class that cannot be approved to come into RPI, because that will be a huge waste of your time, a huge waste of money, and you'll still have to take Physics 2 at RPI ultimately to meet that requirement. So do not, and this is for your benefit, do not take a course without seeking approval in advance of taking that course. I also want to point out that the word that we use for this is the transfer course guide. Guide is an important word. It means that this is a good place to go to find classes that you can bring back to RPI. However, you still need approval. So you still need a form signed to say, yes, this course will be brought back. The good news is during your first year, that's going to be your hub advisor. So super easy to get in touch with them, of course. And if you want to learn how this process works more, reach out to them and we'll talk about it.